Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to take backup of your WordPress website. And basically backup means just storing your website files on a particular date, and then you can keep changes to your WordPress website. And if your website get down due to any error or you do something wrong, then you can restore your website files back and you will get that old website back. And we can also set up an automatic backup which will take backup of our website on daily, weekly or monthly basis. Also, by using this plugin, we can migrate our website to another hosting or another domain. So let's see how we can do these things. And this is the website to which we will take the backup. And to take the backup, you just have to go to dashboard and then go to plugins and click add new. And here search for Updraft Plus. And you will see this plugin. So this is the plugin that we're gonna use in this video. As you can see, it have 3 million installation, and just install and activate this plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you will see this pop-up and you can press here to start. So just click this. And now to take a first backup, you will just have to click the backup now button. So just click on this, and here as you can see, include your database, your files, and only allow this backup to delete it manually. So if you check this box, then you will have to delete this backup manually, and this will not overwrite any of the backup. So if you want, you can enable this and then click on backup now. And this will start the backup. So let's wait for this. Okay, so we will wait for this completion, but before that, let me show you how you can set up an automatic backup. An automatic backup is very important because you cannot remember to take backup on daily or weekly basis, and you can lose your website. So to set up an automatic backup, you can just go to the setting tab, and as you can see, we have the manual option here. As you can see, choose the schedule that you want for your backup. So we will choose a weekly, daily or monthly basis. So as you can see, we can set that to every 2 hours backup, every 4 hours, and this is completely dependent on you that how you want to take the backup. Now I'll recommend to take the backup on weekly basis, so this will not load our remote storage as well, and this will keep the backup of every week. So let's choose the weekly, and for the database also we will choose weekly. And as you can see, it retains many scheduled backups, which means that we will have the backup of our 2 weeks. If you want, you can increase this, so we will increase this to 3. Now we will have the backup of 3 last weeks, and we can restore that anytime we want. So once you finalize this, then you can scroll down and choose your remote storage. Now you can choose OneDrive, FTP or any one of these, but I'll choose Google Drive, and this will save my backup inside the Google Drive. So I'll choose this, and we'll scroll down and make sure you select all these options and click on save changes, and this will give you this pop-up. So click on this, and this will take you to your Gmail account. So click on your account on which you want to store the backup and click allow, and complete setup. And that's it. Now you have successfully set up your automatic backup, and this will store your backup on weekly basis on your Google Drive, and you can restore that backup anytime you want. So this is the first backup that we started, and this is the second one that we just started as automatic backup. You can stop this one if you want. So we'll stop this, and we will keep this going. Okay, now let me show you how you can restore your backup. So to restore your backup, you just scroll down and you will see existing backups, and these are the backups that we can restore from this plugin. So if your website have any error, then you can restore it from here, and this will give you your old website back. And if you want to restore your backup from the remote storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, then you will have to go to rescan remote storage, and this will restore your website from that. And my case, I have selected the Google Drive, so this will restore my website from Google Drive. And that is how you can restore your backup. Now, if you want to migrate your website from this domain to another domain or another hosting, then you can use the same plugin for that. And for that, you will have to install this plugin on a new fresh installation of WordPress, and you will have to go to Rescan Remote Storage, and there you can restore your backup. And that is how you can migrate your website as well. So this was just an overview that how you can take the backup of your WordPress website. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.